In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently copy and paste text or objects using the online image editor Photopea. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just diving into digital art, mastering this simple task will enhance your workflow significantly. First things first, make sure you navigate to Photopea in your web browser. A quick way to do this is by entering Photopea into your search engine or simply typing in www.photopea.com into the URL bar. This powerful online tool closely resembles Adobe Photoshop in terms of both interface and functionality, but the best part is that it's completely free and runs right in your browser. So no need for downloads or additional installations. Once you're on the Photopea homepage, let's dive into selecting the text or object you'll be working with. If you're starting with a new project, click on File at the top of the screen, then select New to create a canvas. If you're editing an existing file, choose Open and navigate to the image you wish to work on. With your file open, you'll notice tools on the left-hand side of the screen. The selection tools are vital for this process. Depending on your needs, you can choose from the rectangular marquee, lasso tool, or quick selection tool to highlight the area you want to copy. After making your selection, head up to the top menu and click on Edit. In this drop-down menu, you will find the Copy option. Click this, and your chosen text or object is now stored temporarily in what is known as the clipboard, which is basically a digital short-term memory for your computer. Now let's move on to pasting. Ensure you've clicked on the canvas or area where you'd like the copied content to appear. Again, go up to the Edit menu and select Paste. The item you've copied should appear exactly where you want it. Remember, once pasted, you might want to reposition or resize it. You can do this easily by selecting the Move tool, which is usually the top tool in the left toolbar, represented by a four-headed arrow icon. Drag your object to the desired spot and use the corners to adjust its size while holding the Shift key to maintain proportions if needed. And there you have it. The process is complete. You've just successfully copied and pasted within Photopea. This technique is especially useful for those looking to repeat elements consistently throughout their designs, such as logos or recurring color accents. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.